Get your outcomes inside 5 seconds of testing utilizing essentially the most correct glucose testing gadget available on the market. There are numerous items accessible to blood sugar test kits, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best blood sugar test kits from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Dario Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. You'll be able to monitor and observe your progress and share it along with your physician utilizing your smartphone. Merely plug the tiny meter to your telephone and obtain the Dario app. Blood Sugar Monitor System Starter Equipment for iPhone. Features a glucometer, 25 take-a-look-at strips, 10 sterile lancets, and 10 disposable covers, so you can begin testing shortly. FDA-cleared Dario all-in-one blood glucose meter and lancing gadget plus 25 take-a-look-at strips plus 10 lancets plus Dario app. Obtainable in your telephone. Reporting of previous blood assessments, so you'll be able to observe progress. Electronic mail your physician development stories. Emergency textual content with GPS, much less ache with solely a tiny drop of blood. Supported iOS telephone 6, 6 Plus, 6 seconds, 6 seconds plus, 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, XS Max, XR, 11, 11 Professional, 11 Professional Max, C2020, 12, 12 Mini, 12 Professional Max, 13, 13 Professional, 13 Professional Max. iOS working system, iOS 13, 14, 15. Utility model 561. Number 2. Caresense and Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. Caresense and Blood Glucose Meter offers quick ends in simply 5 seconds, making blood sugar testing quick and handy. Our glucometer package comes with a useful Turing case that may maintain all of your diabetes testing equipment with the intention to measure your blood sugar on the consolation of your own home or anyplace else. Caresense and Plus Bluetooth Blood Sugar Monitor requires solely a small blood pattern dimension of 0.5 ml, making finger pricking straightforward and painless. Caresense and Diabetes Take a Look at strip is auto-coded and routinely acknowledges the batch code encrypted on Caresense and Blood Glucose Take a Look at strip. Caresense and Diabetes testing package consists of 1 blood glucose meter, 100 blood sugar take a look at journeys, 1 lancing gadget, 100 lancets, and a Turing case to offer you essentially the most inexpensive and handy method for blood sugar testing. Our blood sugar take a look at equipment saves as much as 250 assessments and has a battery lifetime of 1,000 assessments. Caresense and Diabetes testing package has a devoted customer support crew to offer you the perfect service to any points or issues you are having. Our aim is that we'll help you sense forward of your diabetes and take care of these you're keen on. Your satisfaction is our primary precedence. You probably have any questions or considerations about your glucometer with strips and lancets. Please contact us at any time. Number 3. AUVO and Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. AUVO and BGMs can perform inside plus 10% or plus 10 mg divided by DL of laboratory values over 95% of the time, which is much past ISO 15197. 2013 passing commonplace. The producer is licensed with CE Mark, GMP, ISO 13485, 2016, and ISO 15197. 2013 without having any recall available on the market prior to now 14 years. Inadequate blood utilized to check strip will lead to incorrect readings. Please maintain the lancing gadget firmly towards your fingertip for sufficient pattern. Watch our tutorial movies in our listings to optimize your testing outcomes. Our pleasant buyer help will at all times be right here to reply your questions and assist to resolve your considerations. 30-day cash again assure. Retailer your take a look at outcomes with time and date helps you observe and handle your well-being, whereas additionally preserving a steady 7-14-30 common outcomes. Computerized off means our gadget works longer without having to fret about losing battery life. 1x AUVO NDSW Blood Glucose Monitor, 1x Battery, 100x Blood Take a Look at Strips, 100x 30 Gauge Lancets, 1x Lancing Gadget, 1x Meter Consumer Information, 1x Take a Look at Strip Consumer Information, our unique lifetime guarantee, and technical assist and pleasant buyer service. Number 4. MyKza Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. MyKza is an enterprise that advocates environmental safety. based on the necessities of the Amazon platform, will cease offering batteries from June 2022. As compensation, the newest model of the blood glucose monitor equipment adopts an improved needle and will additional cut back the price of take a look at strips later. Thanks in your continued help of 𝐂𝐤 𝐏𝐫𝐤 glucose monitor equipment was designed without code, avoiding the normal debugging steps. Simply 0.7 microliters of blood and measuring your blood sugar stage in 5 seconds. Please draw blood samples with take a look at strips after finger puncture to kind droplet blood samples as quickly as doable. 𝐂𝐤 tips: repeated measurements of the identical drop of blood should not advisable, as oxidation can result in inaccurate readings. 𝐂𝐤 blood glucose monitor equipment is right for seniors, overweight, diabetics, and pregnant ladies to forestall gestational diabetes by self-monitoring, and to trace blood glucose standing. Save on the price of testing your blood sugar on the hospital. We promise 15 cents per take a look at strip to free you from repurchase stress. Although we try to make sure that the merchandise delivered to your high quality by way of a number of high quality testings, we regrettably nonetheless often come throughout faulty merchandise. Thus, we now offer you our 24-month worry-free guarantee to make sure you are pleased with this purchasing expertise. If the machine has issues, on this case, please get in contact with us. We'll refund and reissue it for you freed from cost. Number 5. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐜 4116 Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐜 4116 diabetes testing equipment is supplied with superior applied sciences, brings extra correct and dependable outcomes and higher expertise in your blood sugar management. A management resolution is included for checking the glucometer and strips. 4 modes to document your glucose worth in response to completely different time. Exhibits your glucose development extra clearly. 450 blood sugar values storage. Steady 14:21:28 divided by 60 divided by 90-day comma, which brings extra handy diabetes administration for you and your well-being supplier. The blood glucose monitor is with code-free design, prepared for testing as soon as insert the strip accurately. The short information contained in the package deal lists the steps to do a take a look at clearly, straightforward to observe. Any downside about operation, we're right here able to reply and supply glucose monitoring system educational movies. This blood glucose meter equipment simply wants 0.7 microliter blood pattern and 7 seconds to get you blood glucose worth. Quick, minimizes wound and fewer painful. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.